Hello everyone, Jai Shri Gurudev. So today I will start the syllabus. So in this class I will discuss matrices. Matrices. So matrices means suppose we consider three linear equations. System of three linear equations, that is 3x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to 4, that is equation number 1. X minus y plus z which is equal to minus 1, that is equation number 2. 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 10, that is equation number 3. What is the coefficient of x in equation number 1, that is 3. What is the coefficient of y in equation number y, equation number 1, that is 2. What is the coefficient of z in equation number 1 is minus 4. Similarly, equation 2 and 3, coefficient of x, y, z. Coefficient of x, y, z. This is the coefficient of x in equation number 1. Coefficient of y, it is in equation number 1. Coefficient of z in equation number 1. Similarly, coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z in equation number 2. Similarly, in equation number, coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z in equation number 3. This is the system of three linear equations. I written here only coefficient of the x, y, z in equation 1, 2 and 3. So it is a matrices. So matrices means it is a rectangular and square arrangement of numbers. That is called a matrices. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers. Rectangular arrangement of numbers. How it is arrangement of numbers? We take as a linear equation and coefficient and write down the coefficients, corresponding coefficient of the equation 1, 2 and 3. So it is a matrix. Matrix is a square and rectangular arrangement of numbers, that is called matrix. Usually matrix is denoted by capital letter A, B, X, Y, Z, etc. English alphabets. Matrices, it is denoted by X, Y, Z, A, B, C. So in matrices, so it is a matrix. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers. So it is a matrix. So in matrix, the vertical line, this is vertical line. First line, vertical line. These vertical lines are called, that is column of matrix. What is column of matrix? In the matrix, vertical line is called a column of matrix. Vertical line is called a column of matrix. Similarly, horizontal line is called row of matrix. Horizontal line is what? 2, 3, 2, 4. This is horizontal. Horizontal line is called, that is row of matrix. ROW, row of matrix. Vertical line in the matrix. Vertical line is called column of matrix. Horizontal line is called row of matrix. So matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers. The horizontal line is called row matrix. The vertical line is called, that is column of matrix. Next is order of matrix. Order of matrix is denoted by m into n or m cross n. Order of a matrix is denoted by m into n or m cross n. It is read as m into n or m cross n. This is order of matrix denoted by m into n. M indicates number of rows. N indicates number of columns. So order of a matrix is denoted by m into n or m cross n. Here m indicates the number of rows and n indicates the number of columns. So for example, so it is a matrix because it is a rectangular arrangement of numbers. Here 5, 3, 2, 4, 1, 0. It is a matrix. How many rows are there? Rows. This is first row. It is second row. Therefore 2 rows. So therefore here 2. How many columns are there here? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 columns. 2 rows and 3 columns. Therefore the order of matrix is 2 cross 3 or 2 into 3. 2 cross 3 or 2 into 3. Order of a matrix is denoted by m into n or m cross n. M indicates the number of rows, n indicates the number of columns. For example, this is first row. Horizontal line is called row matrix. Vertical line is called column of matrix. So two rows, first row and second row. There are two rows of matrix. How many columns here? 1, 2, 3. There are three columns. Two rows and three columns. Therefore, it is 2 cross 3 or 2 into 3 of matrix. This is the order of matrix. Order of matrix is 2 cross 3. Another example. It is also a matrix 1, 3, 1. How many rows are there? This is one row. It is second row. It is third row. Three rows are there. How many columns are there? Only one column. Only one column. Therefore, can you guess what is the order of this matrix? It is 3 cross 1 because 3 is the rows, number of rows. It is indicating m cross n. Order of matrix is denoted by m cross n. M indicates the number of rows. N indicates the number of columns. Therefore, it is a matrix. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. How many columns are there? Only one column. Therefore, 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is the order of matrix. What is the order of this matrix? 3 cross 1 or 3 into 1. One row, first row, second row, third row, 3 rows. Only one column. Therefore, here 1. 3 cross 1 is the order of its matrix. Order of its matrix. Another example. 1, 2, 3, 1. 5, 4, minus 2, 6, 8. It is a matrix. What is the order of this matrix? How many rows are there? This is first row, second row, third row. There are 3 rows are there. 3 rows. Therefore, it is 3 cross. It is 3 rows into how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. Therefore, it is 3 cross 3 matrix. 3 cross 3 matrix. Order of matrix. Order of matrix means how many rows and columns are there. That is the order of matrix. First row, second row, third row. There are 3 rows are there. Therefore, 3. How many columns? One column, first column, second column, third column. Therefore, it is also 3. 3 cross 3. 3 into 3 is the order of its matrix. Example number 3. So next is in general. Generally, we can write the matrix generally. This is called, it is also a 3 cross 3 matrix. Order of matrix in general, we can write A11, A12, A13, dash dash dash, A1n. This is first row. Therefore, 1, 1, 1, 1 up to goes to n. N. Therefore, second row. This is A21, A22, A23, dash dash dash, A2n. This is second row. Similarly, this is m rows. Therefore, am1. In generally, we can write matrix A denoted by A, which is equal to A11, A12, A13, and so on. A1n. This is first row. Second row A21, A22, A23, and so on. A2n. So number of columns. So on. AM1, AM2, AM3, and so on. AMn. So it is how many rows and columns are there? First row, second row, third, fourth, up to mth row. Therefore, it is m. How many columns are there? First column, second column, third column, dash dash, so on, so on. Last one is n column. Therefore, it is n. In generally, m cross n. Order of matrix is m cross n. So this is the first. A11 is the in a matrix. There A11 is the first element of the first row and first column. A11 is the first element of first row and first column. A12 is the second element of the first row, second element of the second column. Therefore, it is 1, 2. A13 indicates, A13 means A13 is the element of the first row, element of the third column, dash dash, so on. A1n is the element of first row and nth column. This is general form of matrix. Next is types of matrices. Types of matrices. First one is row of matrix. Row of matrix means matrix having only one row, that is called row of matrix. For example, 1, 2, 3. It is a matrix. Matrix having only one row, that is called row of matrix. Row of matrix means matrix having only one row, that is called row of matrix. What is the order of this matrix? It is one row into 3 columns. 1, 2, 3, 1 class 3 matrix. Next one is column of matrix. Column of matrix means matrix having only one column, that is called column of matrix. Column of matrix, that is 2, 3, 4. It is only one column, that is column of matrix. Column of matrix means matrix having only one column, that is called column of matrix. Next is null matrix or zero matrix. Null matrix or zero matrix. So it is said zero matrix means all the elements of the matrix are zero, that is called null matrix. Matrix having all the elements, they are zero, that is called null matrix. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It is a matrix, all the elements, they are the elements of the matrix, right? So all the elements of the matrix, they are zero, that is called null matrix or zero matrix. Zero matrix means all the elements of the matrix are zero, that is called null matrix or zero matrix. Next is fourth one, square matrix. Square matrix means in a matrix having number of rows equal to number of columns, that is called square matrix. Which is M is equal to N. M is equal to N means what? Number of rows. M indicates the number of rows. N indicates the number of columns. Therefore, number of rows is equal to number of columns. M is equal to N. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. That is called square matrix. Example: 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3. It is 3 cross 3 column. Therefore, 3 cross 3. 3 number of rows, which is equal to number of columns, that is called square matrix. That is called square matrix. Next one is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is a square matrix. What is square matrix? Number of rows is equal to number of columns, right? So diagonal matrix means it is a square matrix having non-diagonal elements are zero. It is diagonal. It is the diagonal elements, diagonal. Except this diagonal, they are non-diagonal, non-diagonal. So it is, for diagonal matrix means it is a square matrix having non-diagonal elements are zero. Non-diagonal elements are zero. For example, 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0. That is 3. It is diagonal. Diagonal elements. Except diagonal elements, they are zero. It means non-diagonal elements is 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Non-diagonal elements are zero. That is called diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Next one is scalar matrix. Scalar matrix means what? It is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means non-diagonal elements are zero. So a scalar matrix, it is also a diagonal matrix having diagonal elements are same. Diagonal elements are same. For example, 4, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 0, 4. It is diagonal elements. Diagonal elements are equal. That is called scalar matrix. 3 cross 3. So scalar matrix means it is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means non-diagonal elements are there 0. Non-diagonal elements are 0, but diagonal elements are equal. Here 4, 4, 4. Same number. 4, 4, 4, 4. Same number. Therefore, it is a scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal elements which is same. That is called scalar matrix. Next is identity matrix. Identity matrix means it is a scalar matrix. Scalar matrix means what is the condition of scalar matrix? Scalar matrix ಅಂದ್ರೆ principal diagonal element same ಇರಬೇಕು. Identity element ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is a scalar matrix diagonal elements which is equal to 1, that is called identity matrix. Identity matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. It is called identity matrix 3 cross 3. Diagonal elements which is equal to 1, that is called identity matrix. That is called identity matrix. So, first one. Okay. What you learn in this class? Definition of a matrix is, what is matrix? It is a rectangular arrangement of a numbers. That is called matrix. It is denoted by capital letters A, B, C, and numbers inside the matrix they are called elements. So vertical line is called column of matrix. Horizontal line is called row of matrix. Order of matrix means it is denoted by M cross N or M into N. M indicates the number of rows, N indicates the number of columns. That is called order of matrix. So it is 2 cross 3 because 2 rows and 3 columns. Therefore 2 cross 3 order of matrices. Generally you can write this one. Types of matrix is row matrix. Row matrix means the matrix having only one row, that is row matrix. Column matrix means only one column, that is column matrix. Null matrix means all the elements are 0, that is called 0 matrix or null matrix. Square of matrix means number of rows is equal to number of columns, that is called square matrix. Diagonal elements means except non-diagonal elements are 0, that is called diagonal matrix. Scalar matrix, it is a diagonal matrix, but it is diagonal elements are equal, that is called scalar matrix. Identity matrix means diagonal element which is equal to 1, that is called identity matrix. So I will continue in the next class. Thank you one and all.